In this video, we will start with the exercise of lesson number 7, बंदर बाट. First main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Write answers in one line. बिल्ली क्या लेकर आई? बिल्ली रोटी लेकर आई. What did the cat bought? Answer is the cat bought the roti, or we can say bread or chapati. Next question is दूसरी बिल्ली ने क्या दिखाई? Answer is दूसरी बिल्ली ने अकड़ दिखाई. What did the other cat shown? The other cat had shown her stubbornness. Third question is बंदर क्या लेकर आया? Answer is बंदर तराजू लेकर आया. What did the monkey bought? Monkey bought the weighing machine. Fourth question is बिल्लियों को क्या मिला? Answer is बिल्लियों को कुछ भी नहीं मिला. What did the cats got? The cats didn't get anything. Or they got nothing. So the second main is दो वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. That means write the answers in 2 or 3 lines. So first question is बंदर ने रोटी का बंटवारा कैसे किया? Answer is बंदर ने तराजू लाकर रोटी के 2 टुकड़े करके दोनों पलड़ों पर रख दिया. फिर जिस पलड़े पर बड़ी रोटी का टुकड़ा होता उसे खा छोटी कर देता. इस तरह उसने सारी रोटी खा लिया और बिल्लियों को कुछ भी नहीं मिला. So what did the monkey? How did the monkey had shared the bread or the bread or the roti or chapati? Okay. So what did the monkey had done? Monkey had took a weighing machine and then he had made a roti into 2 pieces and kept it on 2 plates of the weighing machine and then started eating the roti from both the plates, which from the plates from that side which is having more. So like this he had finished almost all the roti and the cats didn't get anything and cats got nothing. So this is the second. Now second question is इस पाठ से आपको क्या सीख मिलती है? Answer is इस पाठ से हमें यह सीख मिलती है कि हमें कभी भी झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए और 2 व्यक्तियों के झगड़ने से तीसरे का लाभ होता है. So what happened? What is the second question? That is इस पाठ से आपको क्या सीख मिलती है? What did you learn from this lesson? So from this lesson we had learned that we should not fight with anyone. If the two peoples are fighting always the third person will interfere in between them. So third person will get the profit, and he will make a profit of him. So we should not fight each other. Next, the third question is, आपको कौन से पकवान पसंद हैं? उन्हें बनाने के लिए किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? पता कीजिए और सूची बनाइए. सो आंसर इज, मुझे सूजी का हलवा पसंद है. सूजी का हलवा बनाने के लिए सूजी, दूध, चीनी, घी, सूखे मेवे चाहिए. सो हियर this question is, which dish you like most? And to make that, what what are the things you want to make that dish? Make a list of it. So I had written, that is your wish, so I had written, I like suji ka halwa, or we can say rava halwa or kesari bhat, like that one. Okay, so to make this, we need rava, rava, that means suji, rava, milk, sugar, cheese, sorry, ghee, and dry fruits, and some dry fruits. This much is enough. That is the so like that. If you like some other dish, you can make a list of the things what you need. Okay. So next question is, भावार्थ लिखिए. So here the third main is भावार्थ लिखिए. So explain the meanings like that briefly. So here the main, the lines they had given is, बंदर ने देखा यह झगड़ा, ले तराजू वह वहां अड़ा, बोला झगड़ा ठीक नहीं है, बांट के खाना बात सही है. So for that you have to make the meanings, write the meanings. What did you understand from these lines? So here they had, so from this lines, what we can understand is, the two cats are fighting, and that the two cats are fighting for the roti, and the monkey had seen, when the monkey had seen that the two cats are fighting, so he came in between them with a weighing machine, because he want to eat the whole roti alone. So he told the cats that that the that they should not fight each other, and you should share the food and eat. So that is the answer. It is written here. इन पंक्तियों का अर्थ है कि जब बंदर ने दो बिल्लियों को झगड़ते देखा, तो वह तराजू लेकर वहां पहुंचा. So he came with the when the monkey had seen the two cats are fighting, so the monkey, he came with a weighing machine, and बंदर पूरी रोटी स्वयं ही खाना चाहता था, and he want to eat the whole roti alone. So इसलिए बिल्लियों से बोला कि झगड़ा करने से कोई लाभ नहीं है. Don't fight with each other. दोनों को रोटी बांट कर खानी चाहिए. So we have to share, and you have to share and eat the roti. So this is the meaning of this explanation. Next one is, next main is, नमूने के अनुसार इस कविता में प्रयुक्त तुक्के वाले शब्दों को ढूंढ कर लिखिए. In this poem they had given some rhyming words. You have to find it and write down. So first one is आई लाई, that is example they had given. आई लाई रोटी khoti. Second one is de, le. Third one is nahi, sahi. Fourth one is karke, dhar ke. Fifth one is khaya, chabaya. Sixth one is jab, ab. Seventh one is mazduri, puri. Eighth one is aya, gawaya. In the next video, we will continue with the next main. Till then, bye.